Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. And today we'll be talking about something about AliExpress and how to sell items and bring in items from different sources. When I started out on eBay, I was very hesitant to go out and try and get something to sell. And this could be a very big milestone to a lot of people to go out and get something to buy and sell it back. Most important, as I said, when it comes down to buying and selling, when it comes to trade and e-commerce, think about what you're trying to sell. Does it harm somebody? Are you experiencing this particular area to understand the product or service that you're selling? And how much sort of profit, and is it viable to do so? And the hardest part is just getting going. I can say this from my thing, taking the plunge and taking the risk, and just like anything else, obviously it's a calculated risk whereby it's not something that you're going to lose a lot of money. So what we're going to be doing here on this one here is showing you something whereby you can do this right now. I mean, I actually bought and sold this product myself, and understand what's really going on. So as I said before, strategy. What is the strategy behind what's really going on? Now, the first thing we've got to understand is this, and I want you to try and point it out, is that a lot of people are having functions and events and weddings and things like that, and they want these particular tablecloths. Now, imagine going to a particular venue and or a particular area, and you've got a theme, and you want it to be everything to be the right color. So and you want to have lots of tablecloths. Again, instead of hiring tablecloths, you can have all these spandex particular tablecloths, which again can be very profitable to use. Now, remember, it's cloth, and then most importantly, some people may be able to get the cloth in for you. And again, looking at the situation here, we can take a full advantage of the actual US dollar versus the pound. Now, this would be very less because of this US dollars, and you could get this one much more cheaper. So the objective is obviously you're trying to help the people that do events, and obviously you can get all these colors as well. Again, if you have to buy, and if you're doing your a what do you call it, event organizer, again you may be able to order this in. So this is going to take quite a while to get here, but again probably a month or so to get here. But if you've got the information, you'll be able to get it in. But if you actually want to sell these particular items, so the objective is to buy them in. Granted, it's $12.59 US dollars to get it in, but it's to get going very quickly and to see if you can try to build up a way of getting it in. Now think about it when people are doing events and everyday events and things like that. Can you sell these, and can you have them part of what goes on? So let's look at this very carefully. This is a wedding dining decor rectangle spandex, again by $12.59. Now we're going to, at the present moment, we've got a 6 foot and also a 4 foot one. All right, we'll have a look at the smaller one here, which is $9.44. I'm going to have a look on eBay to see if I can find exactly something equivalent and see what's really going. So I would say this is about coming down to about £8, but obviously just say about £10 in. Again, shipping again is quite cheap, 53 cents. Now that is amazing if you can get that particular item in. It obviously it comes in very quickly. So I'd say about $10 all in, and that's quick to ship to the United Kingdom, but take a little while to get here. So let's have a look at it here. Now you can see this particular item is actually on the US. Now again, what could be interesting is that you could do exactly the same thing. You could forward this on to again to the US. You can also sell it to the UK. So it's double the price here. Yep, for that particular item. Yep. So a 6 foot and 4 foot doesn't even matter. It's 23. Now, granted, as I said, you can see this is coming from China as well. So this is the type of things that we're looking for, where you can buy something for that particular price and send it back. If this is in the UK, you could get this particular item for much more cheaper. So this is what we're looking for. Even if it was a 6 foot one, again, it's at $12.59. Even if this was at 6 foot one, again, the person's making a profit. So this is the type of strategy you've got to try to look for in whereby you can go after this particular thing again. As I said, even though this is in the different country, you can sell things in a different country as well and do it like that. A different strategy you can use when you're using AliExpress as a particular platform that you want to sell for. As I said, many people don't do it because they don't know how to and why to go around it. It may be a situation there's round tables. It may be a situation you want to decor a whole particular area, or just change things around, or just to spruce things up. Remember, you don't have to go out buy everything all at once over a period of time. And again, if you're a new particular seller or a new particular person into the business, and you may want to do this for your first time, this kind of investment could be very, very good, because you could buy all these things, and making sure that the actual particular venue or the place that you're trying to make look attractive. You could do all this, make it do, take some pictures, and so obviously build up your profile of doing things. And that's the investment you want to do, because you're investing into yourself, because obviously you're going to take this all away, or you want to send it back to the actual vendor as well. So these are the types of strategies when it comes down to marketing. Make things look good first, and obviously then you'll be able to go forward and really to do things very, very good. And this is what I do, because I try to make it look good before I start. Yeah, and once you do this is whereby people say, wow, you can say this is one of my clients, so this is one of the things I've done in the past. You've got some social proof, you've done things, and you're doing very, very well. Or again, you can explain to people, buy this, buy that, at the end of the day, and guess what, you can do certain things. So strategy. It's not really just about selling. It's about really helping people to get to the end goals. And this is a whole new way of thinking when it comes down to doing business with people. And again, a lot of people try to sell us something that we don't need. But if I try to help you get to that particular destination with a bit more information, you'll get more understanding. It's about building trust when it comes down to doing these types of things. So think about this very, very carefully when you're going into choosing things on eBay, and what to sell and how to sell it as well. I'm going to do some more information about this as well. This is a technique, as I said before, where you can get more sales from other people when it comes to selling on eBay by building a better relationship with people. Remember, I said in one of the videos, customer service is very, very key. It's not just about you just selling the product and you're shipping it at your own time. It's about offering more value to the end, to the end customer. This is what we call added value when it comes down to a lot of things. So think about it very, very carefully when you're doing things on eBay, and how to ensure that you keep the eBay customer shopping more and building out more services as well. If you like the information that we're providing, you know what you're going to do. Like, comment, and subscribe down the bottom. We've got some more information that can help you. If you want some more good advice, check out some of the stuff that we're doing. We've got an eBay calculator. We've got more information that can help you. If you want your store reviewed, we can do that as well, and we can have a look at it and see where things are going wrong. If you've got some things that you're actually worried about and what you're going to do, we want to know about it, see if we can help you along the way. So put a comment in below and we'll be able to take you from there. Happy eBaying. Follow, have your say, share your opinion, and we can even solve some of the problems that you may be facing along the way. Like and subscribe to the channel to get exclusive updates on when things change on eBay and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.